ẹ mú yàn márùn-ún àbí mẹ́fà mọ́ra ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. Tẹ́ ẹ bá ti réyàn mẹ́wàá mú mọ́ra, ṣé bó o ti dì? Tó bá ti dì tán, ẹ dúró, ẹ fojú yín, ẹ fi wò ó, ẹ dúró tì í, ẹ ní jẹ́ kéèyàn kọ́kọ́ gbé ẹrù yín lọ. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kí o lè gbé ṣúra wa lọ o. Eléyìí tá a wà yìí, ìgboro le o. Ẹ rántí bó ṣe le tó, ẹ rántí bó ṣe dáa tó nígbà àkọ́kọ́, ẹ rántí bó ṣe rí báyìí. Ẹni tó bá ti tajà yẹ̀pẹ̀ agbowó òkúta o. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe sọ, tójú bá ti yẹjú, Ondo tójú bá yẹjú, àní jìyà yìí gbé o. Ìyà yìí á dayọ̀ fún wa o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, bàbá mi tó ń wò mí yẹn, dàlí mi tó ń wò mí yẹn o. Bàdí mi tó ń wò mí yẹn. Àjọ máa dìbò PDP. Àjọ máa dìbò PDP. Àjọ máa dìbò PDP. Àjọ máa dìbò PDP. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó fi búrẹ́dì kó omi ọbẹ̀ yín lọ o. Ẹ má jẹ́ kéèyàn kọ́kọ́ pè yín sẹ́yìn kó wá pa kádàrá yín dà o. Ọlọ́run tó dá yóò ní pa kádàrá yín dà o. Tó bá dijọ́ Sátidé, tójú bá ti yẹjú, ẹ láyọ̀ o. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run ní Sátidé, nǹkan kan ò ní ṣe yí o. À á ṣe láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà o. PDP.
God bless you, man. Thank you.
Members of the Southwest High School, please come forward and greet your people. Members of the Southwest Executive Council.
I have the privilege to introduce, on behalf of the National Vice Chairman, the Secretary of the PDP in Southwest Region, Alhaji Rahman Owoko Niro, is here with us, and he would want to speak with us.
PDP, PDP, PDP. Well, inú mi dùn láti rí àpéjọ tèmi o. Ọlọ́run á fún wa ní iṣẹ́ náà nírọ̀rùn. Ní ìdúró tèmi rí àti ní òye tí mo ní nípa bí ìlú ṣe ń lọ, mo mọ̀ wípé àtótónu tá a máa ṣe ó mọ̀ wọ́n bá torí gbogbo nǹkan tójú ń rí ìlú sí i. Kò sétò kankan, ìyà ń jẹ gbogbo àtolówó àti mẹ̀kúnnù, gbogbo ọ̀nà mọ ibi tára wọn kù sí. A lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí abẹ́ ìjọba kankan kó máa fìyà jẹ wá, ká wá rò wípé ọ̀nà ọgbọ́n kan wà tó fẹ́ dá, ète ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, ọlọ́gbọ́n kankan tó fẹ́ dá. Ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn wa kán bá àwọn ará ìlú sọ̀rọ̀, kán dìbò wọn fún change, kí PDP tó ti wà ń bẹ̀ tó ti ṣẹ̀tọ́ fúlùú kó padà sípò, ká tiẹ̀ dán àwọn náà wò. Wọ́n ti wà ń bẹ̀ fọdún 8. Àwọn nǹkan tí gómìnà wọn tàná tó dáwọ́lé, wọ́n padà sídìí ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ ń gba àìmọye owó tán ṣe ojúṣe wọn láàrin ìlú. À ń láti dìbò fún ẹgbẹ́ tó mọ ẹ̀tọ́, tó dẹ̀ mọ ìyà tó ń jẹ ará ìlú, tó dẹ̀ máa bá wọn dìde sọ̀rọ̀ wọn. Màá fẹ́ join àwọn èèyàn tèmi náà láti dá orin kan. Ọmọ Èkó lèmi, so ẹ máa sọ fún wọn pé tọ́ọ̀ bá jà o, tẹ́ ò bá jà o, ẹ sọ pẹ̀lẹ́ là ó pa yín lọ́pọ̀n o, bẹ́ ò bàjà, bẹ́ ò bà jà ẹ sọ pẹ̀lẹ́ la ó pa yín lọ́pọ́n wọ́n bá dẹ̀ tún jà náà á pa wọ́n lọ́pọ́n ni PDP.
Thank you, sir. PDP power. God bless you, currency. Ṣé ẹ ti rí abẹ́ rí? Ẹ má jẹ́ kó parọ́ tàn wá o. Ṣé ẹ ti rí ibi tó wà? Ṣé ẹ ti rí ibi tó wà? Tó bá dọjọ́ náà ẹ má jẹ́ kó kọrí ẹ̀ sísàlẹ̀ fún yín. Ṣó yé wa àbí ò yé wa? Ó dá mi lójú pé ní tó bá máa fi di àsìkò yìí lọ́jọ́ Sunday. A máa yọ̀, a máa dunnú ni. A máa yọ̀, a máa dunnú ni. Gbogbo àwọn party agent lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí mo tún tẹnu mọ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí wọ́n lò yín láti dà wá lágbónú. Torí ọjọ́ iwájú ẹ̀yin àti àwọn ọmọ yín náà ni o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe. Ó dá mi lójú nígbà tá à ń ṣe campaign yìí. Mo ní àǹfààní láti tẹ̀lé yín jáde káàkiri. Mo dẹ̀ mọ bí àwọn ènìyàn ṣe ń kígbe. Mo bá yín dé Ondo, mo rí bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe ń kígbe. Mo bá yín dé Àkùngbá, mo rí bí àwọn ènìyàn ṣe ń kígbe. Mo bá yín dé Ọ̀wọ̀, mo rí bí àwọn ènìyàn ṣe ń kígbe. Ìlú nira. Ìlú yìí le àbí ò le? Àwa la lè gbára wa sílẹ̀. Àǹfààní yìí máa ń wálé nǹkan lọ́dún mẹ́rin. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lo eléyìí. Ẹ wò ó tí wọ́n bá fi ìyà ọdún mẹ́rin míì kún wa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ á kú. Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká kú kú òjijì.
PDP. Thank you. Thank you, my brother. PDP ṣé a ti dé ṣá? Mo fẹ́ wo iye àwa tá a ti dé torí ẹ̀ ń pa àti ìdè. Ó ṣe táyé. Ẹ ṣe. Mo fẹ́ ṣe accreditation. Àkókò North West. Tó bá láti àkókò North West local government ṣé ẹ ti dé àbẹ́ ẹ̀ tí ì dé? Ẹ̀yin dẹ̀ ẹ ju fìlà yín sókè kí n rí yín. irọ́ ni ẹ̀ tí ìdè ẹ̀ ṣì ń bọ̀ lọ́nà. Àkókò North East. Àkókò North East. Ẹ̀yin mélòó ẹ̀yin mẹ́ta ẹ̀ tí ìdè. Àkókò South West. Ẹ̀yin méjì. Kí ló ń ṣe àwọn àkókò ìṣẹ̀? Ẹ̀yin méjì látàkókò South West. Ẹni ẹ̀rọ pé mi mọ̀ 1 2 3 kà ní. Ẹ̀yin méjì péré. Àkókò South East. Àwọn yẹn dà. Àkókò South East. Ẹ̀yin kan ṣoṣo. Ẹ̀ tí ìdè. Thank you. Láti South, ẹsẹ̀ Ondo local government. Àwọn yẹn ṣì wà lọ́nà. Ẹsẹ̀ Ondo local government. Ìlàjẹ local government. Ṣé Ìlàjẹ ti dé? Àwọn Ìlàjẹ Àkúrẹ́ ni mo ṣì rí ẹ̀ tí ìdè. Òkìtìpupa local government. Òkìtìpadà. Ẹ̀ tí ìdè náà. Ìrèlè local government. Ìrèlè ti dé díẹ̀. Òdìgbò local government. Òdìgbò local government dà. Okay now. Mo rí pé àwọn àkókò kan náà ṣe ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn bẹ́ẹ̀. Okay, àwọn South kan náà ló ń bọ̀ látàpá bẹ́ẹ̀. Ilẹ̀ Olújí Òkè Igbó. Ìwọ nìkan. Àánú ẹ máa ṣe mí o. O kàn ń dárìn tí ẹ. Ilẹ̀ Olújí Òkè Igbó. Okay. Mo wá sí Central o. Ondo East. Ondo East. Okay, mo rẹ́yìn mẹ́fà. Ṣé pé onírọ́ ni mí? Ṣé onírọ́ ni mí ni? Ondo West. Ondo West. Ìrèlè ẹ káàbọ̀ o, Ìrèlè. Okay. Ìfẹ́dọ̀rẹ́ local government ìlú Fabo. Fabo dà. Fabo, where is your local government here? Ìfẹ́dọ̀rẹ́ dà. Ẹ̀yin mẹ́ta péré. Fabo yẹn dà. Kò sí local government yẹn bí báyìí man. Àkúrẹ́ North. Àkúrẹ́ North yìí ń dàlíyè yìí. Àkúrẹ́ North síkọ́. Ìméjì. Àkúrẹ́ South. Àkúrẹ́ South. Àwa làkúrẹ́ olóyè mẹ́kún. Dá sílẹ̀ ó mọ́ pa ẹ̀ gẹ́nu pa ní. Àwa làkúrẹ́ olóyè mẹ́kún. Ẹ jẹ́ á fi wọ́n lẹ̀, ó ti tó bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún sọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ ń jọ́sí nígbà tá à ń ṣe flag off wa. Ẹ rántí ibi tí ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo dúró sí ní èní, kì í ṣe ibi tó yẹ kí ìpínlẹ̀ wa dúró sí rárá. Tá a bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ síbi tó yẹ ká sọ sí, a rí i pé ọwọ́ ti ba ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo. Ọwọ́ àwọn aláìmẹ̀tọ́, ọwọ́ àwọn aláìmọ̀ọ́ṣe, ọwọ́ àwọn olè, ọwọ́ àwọn ọ̀lẹ, ọwọ́ àwọn jẹgúdújẹrá, ọwọ́ wọn ti ba ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo. Ṣé ọmọ amúdásílẹ̀ gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀làkúrẹ́ olóyè mẹ́kún ọmọ amúdásílẹ̀ gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ àsìbí ọ̀làkúrẹ́ olóyè mẹ́kún ọmọ amúdásílẹ̀ gbogbo lóòótọ́ a máa fogun ẹnu pa wọ́n. Tá a bá ti bò tán sáwọ́dì gbogbo Àkúrẹ́ a fẹ́ lọ ṣe 9 VG ní INEC. Káwá wo èèyàn tó fẹ́ yíbò wá ń bẹ̀, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́?
ó ṣe bí mi ò ṣe mọ̀ ọ́ kọ ju first answer ìwọ náà ò ṣe mọ̀ ọ́ kọ. ẹ̀yin Ìdànrè dà ẹ̀yin Ìdànrè tá a fún deputy ẹ̀yin dà ń bíbà ẹ̀ àbẹ́ ẹ̀ wá ni kò sí Ìdànrè Ìdànrè dà Ìdànrè dà ẹ́ mi ò rí Ìdànrè sẹ́ ẹ ṣí fìlà yín kẹ́ ẹ jù ú tẹ́ ẹ bá wà ń bí mi ò ní kó juwọ́ ẹ ṣí fìlà Ìdànrè dà Fàbó your federal consent ní Ìdànrè omi ò rí wọn o Ìdànrè mo kí yín o Ìdànrè mo kí yín o iṣẹ́ kù lọ́wọ́ yín dáadáa ní Ìdànrè a máa sọ yẹn later. bí mo ṣe ń sọ lọ mo ní àwọn tó ń ṣe ìjọba nípínlẹ̀ Ondo ń sìn yín mo ní olófò ni wọ́n ìfáàfà bó ló yẹ kó wá sọ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yìí. láti ọdún 8 sẹ́yìn tán ti ń ṣe ìjọba wọn ò parí kìlómítà tó 30 across Ondo State gbogbo ọ̀nà tó ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà ṣe dédàjì tó ń dà sílẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí fi ayé ni wá lára ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo tẹ́ ẹ bá rò ó dáadáa oye owó tí ẹ̀ ń san fún àwọn ọmọ yín tó ń lọ síléèwé ń sìn yín wọn ò sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀rí l'Ondo State àbí mo parọ́ ni láti ayé bàbá Ajáṣin ayé Awólọ́wọ̀ lákìtì ń san school fees ní secondary school but nísìnyí tó o bá lọ́mọ ní secondary school dandan ni wàá sanwó iléèwé àbí mo parọ́ ni ṣé ẹ̀sìn ń bí ni ẹ̀ dá mi lóhùn ẹ̀ dẹ̀ dáhùn tí bá ń parọ́ ẹ sọ pé mo parọ́ náà. now àkókò tó láti dìbò again arákùnrin tó ń ṣe ìjọba lọ́wọ́ Lucky Ayédàtiwa náà ń pe orúkọ ẹ̀ fún oṣù 10 tó ti ń ṣe ìjọba ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo ó ti gba láti federal allocation ó ti gba 135 billion naira lórí internally generated revenue ó ti gba about 35,000 naira tá a bá ní ká máa ro gbowó tí ìjọba Lucky Ayédàtiwa ti gbà níjọba á ti máa súnmọ́ bíi 195 to 200 billion naira. á ti tó about 200 billion naira. dídẹ̀ la rí nípa owó tó ti gbà tó ti náà fi ń ṣe ìjọba kò sí rírí tá a rí ń bẹ̀. ẹjọ́ ta ló ń kọrin bẹ̀ kó fún mi láyè. kò sí rírí tá a rí nínú ìjọba tó ń ṣe. nígbà tá a pariwo pé ẹ̀ ń gbowó ẹ̀ fi ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n wá ronú pé iṣẹ́ òun làwọn fẹ́ ṣe. ìjọba Lucky Ayédàtiwa ó ní pé iṣẹ́ ọ̀kan tó kọ́kọ́ gbé jáde ní September wọ́n award contract láti reprint diary of year 2024 ní September of the year 2024. ṣé èèyàn tí orí èèyàn bá pé ṣe kó máa print calendar diary ní the month of September ni lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó ń ṣe yẹn tán wọ́n tún wá award contract pé wọ́n fẹ́ renovate office of the Commissioner for Finance gbogbo àwọn ibi tí office àwọn commissioners wà inú state secretariat ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ló wà wọ́n award renovation for 90 million naira kò sí ẹyọ tractor kò sí ẹyọ mọ́tò kan tó lọ dayanrìn síbẹ̀ kò sóye blocks tó kó díbẹ̀ wọ́n tún ṣe irúṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe fún wa níbẹ̀ nìyẹn dẹ̀ nígbà tó tún ṣe yẹn tán wọ́n tún wá ní pé fence government house ò lọ sókè tó government house alá ní prison ni wọ́n fi almost $1 billion naira ṣe fence níbẹ̀ ẹ wò ó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìgboro dàrú bẹ́ẹ̀ lebi ń pa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìjọ̀gbọ́n wà ń gbòòrò nǹkan tí wọ́n á tún fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ ni pé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó ń ṣe gbogbo wọ̀nyẹn tán pátápátá wọn ò ronú bóyá kán ṣe nǹkan tó wà tó máa ṣèlú ní àǹfààní kankan. wọn ò ronú pé ó yẹ kán jẹ́ kí ìlú ṣe àǹfààní kankan rárá wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kó owó ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo jẹ tó o bá ní ọmọ ní àkùngbánsìn wàá fẹ́ máa san tó 700,000 naira láti rán ọmọ lọ sí yunifásitì tó jẹ́ yunifásitì state tó bá lọ́mọ ní airtech ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ lásán owó wọn ti wọ over 100,000 naira. Ohun kan tó yẹ pé ńgbà tí PDP wá ń jọba 15,000 naira péré náà ń san. Ẹ jẹ́ kí á bá àwọn olùbágbé wa sọ̀rọ̀. Ìjọba tó lè ṣe ìpínlẹ̀ Ondo ní àǹfààní ní ìjọba PDP. The only way tí Ondo ṣe máa fi ní ìlọsíwájú ni tí gbogbo ata bá ṣe iṣẹ́ wa bó ṣe yẹ ká ṣe. Ká ṣe iṣẹ́ wa bó ṣe yẹ ká ṣe. Kẹ̀ jẹ́ ká dìbò fún Agboola Ajayi. Kẹ̀ jẹ́ kí a bá àwọn aládùúgbò wa sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn olùgbé wa sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá di ọjọ́ Sátidé ká lọ tẹ ìbò. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ dìbò fún PDP umbrella la máa tẹ o. Ẹ jẹ́ kí á délé ká ṣe iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ bó sọ ní àkọ́kọ́. Any member of Ondo State PDP should excuse iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Èmi kọ́ máa sọ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà níwájú tí àwọn gómìnà wa bá ti dé ẹ máa ní láti kúrò ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Àwọn gómìnà wa ti ń bọ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́. You will have to make a way for them there. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́? The governors will soon be here. Security man, be very careful. Don't wound anybody. Please move back a little. Move back and let there be a right of way there. Ẹ sún mẹ́yìn kúrò ń bẹ̀ yẹn jẹ́ kí àwọn ẹ jẹ́ kí àyè wà ń bẹ̀.
Mọ́tò òdìmọ̀ bí tó máa ti dúró tí bàbá ti clear mọ́tò àlẹ́ mọ̀kì tó ti máa dúró ní ẹ̀sán.
Tó bá dìbò wọn á bẹ̀ èkó ẹ̀. Ibi ìrìn àjò ìfúnakọ̀ báwo rí?
Mo mọ̀ nínú àwọn àmì bàbá rẹ̀. Ẹ̀sọ́ sì máa ń pọ̀ ìdásọ́ fún ọmọ ẹ̀sẹ̀
Ẹ káàbọ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ pódíọ̀mù yìí ti ń kún jù. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ọ̀tá ò ní yọ̀ wá. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tí àwọn èèyàn wa bá ti ń wọlé, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi àyè sílẹ̀ níbí yìí. PDP ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àwọn leaders wa tí wọ́n wá dúró tì yín, wọ́n dẹ̀ láwọn máa dúró tì yín. Sẹ́nitọ̀ Dúró Fáṣèyí láti Èkìtì wọ́n wà ń bí, wọ́n ní ìṣẹ́jú kan láti bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. PDP ẹ jákè dáadáa. PDP mo kí gbogbo yín. Èkìtì ni mo ti wá, ṣùgbọ́n I'm part of Ondo State. I marry here and mo ti ń gbé bí over 30 years. Nǹkan tí mo kàn fẹ́ bá ń sọ ni pé kò sí nínú wa tí ò mọ̀ pé ẹgbẹ́ tó wà ń tà yìí, ẹgbẹ́ APC kì í ṣe ẹgbẹ́ tó dára. Kì í ṣe ẹgbẹ́ tó dára. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa jáde ká lọ dìbò. Ká dìbò fún Àjàyí o tó gbégbá PDP. Òun ló lè tù wá lára. Òun ló lè tù wá lára. A ti rí gbogbo wàhálà ìdààmú ìnira tí ẹgbẹ́ APC kó wọ Nàìjíríà. Ìbò yín ìbò mi ló máa lé wọn kúrò. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jáde ká lọ dìbò. Ẹ dìbò fún PDP ní ọjọ́ Sátidé. Òun ló lè tù wá lọ́rùn. Òun ló lè dẹ̀ wá lọ́rùn. Ẹ ṣé wàá dáa fún yín o. Thank you. PDP. 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 Ẹ ṣé. PDP.
Distinguished His Excellency, sir.
èyí ò gbọ́dọ̀ balẹ̀.
Èyí ò gbọ́dọ̀ balẹ̀. PDP! 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 Kò ní rẹ̀ yín o. Àkúrẹ́ o. Àkúrẹ́ o. Ondo State o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ṣe wà. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ṣe wà. Ẹ ṣé. Ẹ̀yin obìnrin ńkọ́? Ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ ńkọ́? Ṣé bó ṣe yẹ kó rí lórí báyìí ni? Abára tù yín. Abára tù ẹ̀yin. Ní ìjọ Sátidé ètò ń bọ̀ yóò ti dé tán àbí kò dé tán? Ṣá máa tẹ́ àbá ní tẹ́? Ta lẹ máa tẹ́ fún? Aṣojú tèmi o. Tẹ́ bá ti tẹ́, ẹ wá dúró, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n kà á. Tọ́n bá ti kà á, ẹ wá dúró, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n rìkọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀. Tọ́n bá rìkọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀, ẹ wá tẹ̀lé wọn lọ sí collation center. Abẹ́ẹ̀ ní lọ. Abẹ́ẹ̀ ní lọ. Ẹ wá dúró tì wọ́n. Kí ni mo wí? Wọ́n wá ṣe ìṣirò yẹn, wọ́n á kà á ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. Tọ́n bá ti kà á, wọ́n wá declare Agboola as governor. Á di àbá nídìí. Wọ́n ní òrìṣà bó o lè gbà mí. Fi mí lẹ̀ bó ṣe bá mi. Ìgbà kan wà l'Ondo State o tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀nà wa dáa. Àbí mo gbúrọ́? Ìgbà kan wà tó jẹ́ pé hospital wa ń ṣiṣẹ́. Àbí mo gbúrọ́? Tẹ́ bá lọ bẹ̀ lálẹ́ ó dúdú kò sí nọ́mbẹ̀ o. Ìgbà kan wà tó jẹ́ pé bọ́ọ̀sì máa ń kó àwọn ọmọ iléèwé lọ sí school. Àbí mo gbúrọ́? Ìgbà kan wà tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo bus stop tó wà nílùú ìgbogbo ẹ̀ látúnṣe o. Àbí mo gbúrọ́? Ìgbà kan wà tó jẹ́ pé àwọn àgbẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́ tá a kó sí ọ̀nà rẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ń rówó díẹ̀díẹ̀ o. Àbí mo gbúrọ́? Ìgbà kan wà tí a ní mega school. Àbí mo gbúrọ́? Ìgbà kan wà tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀fẹ́ ni fún àwọn ọmọléèwé. Àbí mo gbúrọ́? Ìgbà kan wà tó jẹ́ pé owó tá à ń san ní yunifásitì èló ní 32,000. Ẹ̀bùn àwọn tí ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mẹ̀kúnnù wọ́n ti gbé sókè o. Àbọ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín ni. Ẹ má jẹ́ kán tàn yín jẹ o. Gbogbo nǹkan ló lásìkò. Tí ẹ bá fẹ́ ṣe dáadáa, kẹ́ wá voters card yín jáde. Torí tí wọ́n bá ní pé ìlú máa ń le lóòótọ́ o. Ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀nà àbáyọ wà. Àbí kò sí? Ìbò ni. Kí la ó fi nà wọ́n pa? Kí la ó fi nà wọ́n pa? Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ wa, ẹ̀yin lẹ máa dìbò yìí o. Ẹ̀yin obìnrin wa, ẹ̀yin lẹ máa dìbò yìí o. Àwọn àgbà tó lọ́mọ nílé ìwé, àwa ló máa dìbò yìí o. Àwọn abiyamọ tó fẹ́ bímọ ọ̀fẹ́, àwa ló máa dìbò yìí o. Àwọn ọmọ wa kéékèèké tó wà ní primary school, àwa ló máa dìbò yìí o. Á di àbá nídìí. Mi ò gbọ́. Èmi á di o. Aṣojú mi o. PDP ń bọ̀ o. Ìmọ́lẹ̀ ò ní pẹ́ dé o. PDP! PDP!
student báyìí. Another challenge yo, another challenge yo, another challenge yo, double challenge yo, another challenge yo, another challenge yo, another challenge yo, double challenge yo. PDP! Ejò, I want to stand on existing protocol. As we all know, this party in town, party tó wà nígboro yìí tá fẹ́ lé lọ yìí, tá bá jẹ́ kó lọ sí ìbò yìí lẹ́lẹ́kejì, ó máa increase the school fees àkùngbá sí 450,000 naira. Agboola dẹ̀ ti sọ pé àwọn máa reduce it by 30%. Tá bá sọ 100,000, automatically àmọ́ máa sọ 70,000. Unimed tó wà níbẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n ti gbé sí 1.2 million naira. Kò ń ṣòwò mẹ̀kúnnù mọ́. Èyí ni ká lọ máa sọ fún àwọn èèyàn wa nílé. Nígbà àwọn student àwọn ọmọléèwé wọ́n ti padà lẹ́yìn wọn. Abẹ́ padà lẹ́yìn wọn. Abẹ́ padà lẹ́yìn wọn. APC ti ṣẹ̀wá. APC ti rẹwà jẹ. Àwọn student padà lẹ́yìn wọn. Omi ló máa gbé wọn lọ. APC ti ṣẹ̀wá. APC ti rẹwà jẹ. Àwọn students padà lẹ́yìn wọn. Omi ló máa gbé wọn lọ. PDP, PDP, PDP. Students are with the party. Student news Agboola Ajayi, ẹ ṣé gan.
Our governors are here. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ń bí. No, they cannot leave out rightly. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ make way. Àwọn governors ti dé. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yìn yín mọ́tò governors ti ń bọ̀. Ẹ fi ọ̀nà ọ̀lẹ́dẹ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ àwọn governors wa kọjá síwájú. Àwọn gómìnà wa ti dé o.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fún wọn láyè kán lè rí bí dúró láàrin bíbá yìí. PDP PDP power to the people, power to the woman. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fún wọn láyè láàrin bẹ̀yẹn ẹ jọ̀ọ́. PDP 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 ṣé a máa dìbò ní November 16? Tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ dìbò mo fẹ́ rí fìlà yín lókè. PDP.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fi àyè lẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ àwọn governors wa fẹ́ wọlé. Please give way here. Ẹ fi ọ̀nà lẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ fi ọ̀nà lẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ yẹn jẹ́ kí àwọn governors gbàbẹ̀ wọlé. Okay? PDP yìí ti gbogbo wa ni. Ó máa gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́. Torí kò sí ibòmíràn tí a lè lọ. Àjò àbí ilé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sowọ́pọ̀ ká fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan. Gbé kémi gbé. Just carry on.
Thank you very much.
I want to invite the state chairman of the party to come forward right away for the welcome address.
PDP, power to the people.
Is the state chairman here?
Ondo State, power to the people. Thank you very much, Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen that are here today to witness the grand finale of the PDP rally here in Ondo State ahead of the November 16, 2024 election. Please, I'd like you to know that you have in your midst this afternoon the full complement of the national leadership of our great party. I'll begin to set the protocol. We have the chairman of the Ondo State 2024 National Campaign Council, the executive governor of Oshu State, Senator Demola Jackson, His Excellency. The acting Thank you very much. Please let us set the protocol. The acting national chairman of our great party, Ambassador Umarili Adamago, the Senate Minority Leader is here, Congress Senator Abamaru, the chairman of PDP Governors Forum, and Governor of Bauchi State, His Excellency Senator Bala Abdul Kadri, Commander of the Order of Niger, Deputy National Chairman South, His Excellency Ambassador Taufik Arakwaja, the National Secretary Senator Samuel Nemekaya, and other members of the National Working Committee here present in their numbers. The Southwest Zonal Host Governor and Governor of Oyo State, His Excellency Engineer Oluseyi Makinde, Thank you very much. All the governors here for this rally are the governor of Adamawa State, Right Honorable Ahmadu Fintiri, the governor of Plateau State, His Excellency Barrister Caleb Mufan is here, the governor of Bayelsa State, His Excellency Senator Joe Diri, the governor we also have here in the midst, want to recognize as acting state chairman, Chief B.O. Bello, PhD, the candidate for whom we have gathered here, His Excellency, former Deputy Governor of Ondo State, Alfred Abola Ajayi and his deputy. We also have some other state chairmen here. Ladies and gentlemen, for want of time, we would have loved to mention all that are here. But I'd like to tell you that everyone is here and you are also recognized because without you, we cannot do the campaigns. PDP! Power to the people! With this very brief protocol, let me invite to the microphone for his welcome address the acting state chairman. He's already here. Chairman.
Thank you, madam. PDP! Ó ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ rẹ̀ bọ̀. Bàbá bá wa ṣe pé. Ó ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ rẹ̀ bọ̀ lẹ́gbẹ́ wa. Bàbá ṣe la ṣe pé. PDP! Your Excellency, our National Acting Chairman, Ambassador Ilya Damagum, and the National Working Committee of our great party, you're welcome to Ondo State. Your Excellency, the Chairman of the Governors Forum, and all our wonderful governors here present, His Excellency Ashiwaju Daxin Ademola Adeleke, the National Campaign Council Chairman, and all members of the Campaign Council, Your Excellency, our own Engineer Sheyi Makinde, the governor and leader, the governor of Oyo State and leader of PDP in the Southwest. Most distinguished Abba Moro and other members of the National Assembly here present, members of the State Working Committee, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for coming to be with us. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa nípínlẹ̀ Ondo, PDP, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pé ẹ ti wà pẹ̀lú wa, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká fi sùúrù gba ètò yìí nítorí Ọlọ́run ti fẹ́ dá ìkólọ wa padà. Wọ́n sì kọ́ wa, Bíbélì kọ́ wa, Kùránì kọ́ wa pé ńgbà tí Ọlọ́run bá dá ìkólọ wa padà, kí ló máa ṣe o? A ṣe wá bí àlá. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká múra sílẹ̀. Let us prepare these few hours to the election. Let us go from door to door to finalize our unit and door-to-door canvassing and campaign. On your behalf, on the behalf of the good people of Ondo State, on behalf of the wonderful members of the People's Democratic Party of Ondo State, we want to welcome and thank our leaders who are here present for the support, not only your presence and the encouragement you've given us. Chairman Alhaji Bala, we want to thank you very much. And we believe that our governors, our National Working Committee, and all the national leaders of PDP will be happy and celebrate our victory with our candidate, His Excellency Agbola Ajayi, his running mate, Honorable Festus Akigbaso, come Saturday. And so shall it be in Jesus' name. Mo wire, abi mi o wire.
Thank you. Thank you very much. The caretaker chairman of PDP Ondo State. Thank you. Bring it down. Thank you. Before I call the next speaker, I would like to mention among the NWC members, the son of Ondo State, who is in the NWC, Omoba, former member of House of Representatives, Honorable Debo Ologunagba. We are now going to get an address from the chairman of the State Campaign Council, former National Vice Chairman of the Southwest Zone, Dr. A.D. Olafeso.
PDP eléré ẹ̀sùn ni Agboola mi gbòòrò títì ó mi gbòòrò. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni bẹ́ẹ̀ni bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Tí Ọlọ́run ló ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni yóò dáa fún ọ. PDP. Thank you, currency. Ó ti tó. Ẹ ṣé o, PDP. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ dìbò fún Agboola ẹ jẹ́ ìrífìlà yín lókè. PDP. Mo sọ pé Agboola mi gbòòrò títì, ó mi gbòòrò, Agboola mi, ó mi gbòòrò. Hey, hey. Ẹ ṣé. Mo fẹ́ fi àkókò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn leaders wa tó wá ní àti Àbújá. Wọ́n dúró tì wá ó pọ̀ ó ga. Ìrìn àjò tí wọ́n rò pé àní rìn à ń rìn. Àti tún fẹ́ fìyà jẹ wọ́n. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Ǹjẹ́ Agboola wọlé lọ́tùnún àbí kò ní wọlé? Ǹjẹ́ ó ti wọlé àbí ó ti wọlé? We will forever be grateful. Odo. Okay. Oshe currency orí ẹ̀ pé fine boy for life. Your Excellencies, we will forever be grateful to all of you for the energy, the love you have shown Ondo State. And we will never take it for granted. Installing Agboola as the governor of Ondo State is the new beginning for our state because this is the state of the great, patrons of Nigeria, and it has been defined by their performance all along. Now Agboola is on the scene. How can he perform less than our Southwest leader, Engineer Seyi Abiodun Makinde, or the governor of Osun State, the dancing governor, the mole of Africa, and all of them that are leading him. Ondo. Currency. Yes. Before rounding up, it is all gratitude. There's nothing I want to say to all of you.
Without you sitting here, we couldn't have gone this far. And I know fully well on Sunday, the 17th, when Agbola is announced as the governor of Ondo State, we will all celebrate together. I want to thank you so much, Your Excellencies. I want to give somebody a chance to speak to you for 1 minute. He was there. We were recruited by the two governors of the Southwest and the team of all the people that actually made up the campaign council in Ondo State. They have worked their butts out from the beginning to the end. We will do it until we declare him as winner. There is no going back. There is no stopping. Let me welcome my DG1. He's no other person than Clement Faboyede, who has been my boys from the university. Clement Faboyede, DG1.
Clement is also my boy.
No, he can't be your boy. He can't be your boy.
This is my boy.
1
Come here.
60 seconds. Now you speak, son. Speak. Speak to them. Peterobi! Power under! And I want to see me àdúrà mi ti gbà. Mo ti ké p'Olúwa. Lọ́dún tí mo wà yìí o, á dára fún mi. Mo ti ké p'Olúwa. Lọ́dún tí mo wà yìí o, á. Ẹ̀mí mímọ́ pàgbo yí mi ká. Àgbo pàgbo yí mi ká. Pàgbo yí mi ká. Pàgbo yí mi ká. Bless you all. Bless you all. Your Excellencies, you are welcome to Ondo State. Thank you. Your Excellencies, I want to thank you, sir. I want to welcome you to the land of bitumen and petroleum. But what have you seen for the past 8 years? Your Excellency, thank you, sir. We appreciate you. By the grace of God, we are winning. All your efforts will not go in vain in Jesus' name. You are seriously and deeply and percolatively welcome. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. PDP! Power to the people. Before I invite the next speaker, we're still standing on the existing protocol, but I want to make some recognitions. I did mention earlier that we have the members of National Working Committee in their numbers. Permit me to let you know that the Deputy National Chairman, South, Ambassador Taufik Arapaja, I mentioned him, the National Secretary, Senator Samuel Onemekaya, the Deputy National Secretary and former State Chairman of Lagos State, Architect Setoji Koshodo is here, National Organizing Secretary, Honorable Captain Umar Baturi, National Vice Chairman of the Southeast Zone, Chief Ali Odefa. We also have in this entourage, Senator Ladota Markey. We have former Minister Honorable Idi Hong. We also have Honorable Mohammed Imam on this entourage. Moving forward, we'll still have to make some recognition later. Let me invite to the microphone the voice of the Board of Trustees of our great party and that of the National Assembly. It will be presented by former Minister and the Minority Leader of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Comrade Abba Moro.
PDP! Power to the people! Your Excellencies, the chairman of our great party and our governors, members of the National Working Committee, I respectfully observe the well-established protocol. I am very happy once more, Ondo people, to be with you again. I have been here before with you, stomping from village to village in Akure for our candidate, the AAA, Alfred Ajayi Agbola, who by the grace of God and your support will be governor in the next 72 hours. I speak on behalf of the National Assembly. I speak on behalf of the Board of Trustees of the People's Democratic Party. And just like the excitement that you have in the air around here, the presence of our governors, the presence of most of members of the National Working Committee is an indication that in this fight to liberate Ondo State, all members and leadership of the great People's Democratic Party are united. Time was when PDP was in power, and you are all living witnesses in this great state that great things happened in this state. Since PDP left power, a lot of things have gone down the drain. Our roads are in serious states of disrepair. Our schools are begging for rehabilitation. Our hospitals need serious attention. And virtually all infrastructures in Ondo State have gone down the drain. And that is why everywhere you go, people ask, where are the good old days when PDP was in power? You have a chance. And I can bet you, today, we are holding our rally here. After Saturday, the man who will have authority to approve venues for rallies will be Agbola. And I want to plead with him. Let him not deny opposition parties the use of government facilities. Because government facilities are facilities built by our common patrimony. And so, what next do we do? The next thing to do to liberate ourselves from the shackles of this oppression is to elect one man who knows the road. Alfred Agbola has been chairman of local government before. Alfred Agbola has been a member of the House of Representatives before. Alfred Agbola has been deputy governor before. Alfred Agbola has been an acting governor before in this state. That is the man who has seen it all. That is the man who has learned the ropes. That is the man who knows the road. So if you want to get back to the great days of Ondo State again, then I enjoin you today, follow the man who knows the road. Make no mistakes about it. Let nobody deceive you about continuity, because they tell you, vote the other side for continuity. And I tell you, is it continuity in penury and struggles? That is the continuity they are asking you for. They say, if you don't align with the federal government, you will not get your shares. And I say no, because the man who is president today has been an advocate of true federalism. And in a true federalism, every segment of the federal government will have its own share. So do not be afraid. Nobody can intimidate you. Do the right thing tomorrow. Do the right thing on Saturday. Vote Agbola and Fesi as governor and deputy governor for Ondo State. And the good old days will come again. PDP!
Just before he goes, last week, the civil senator was here. Ó fún àwọn ará oríta Ọ̀bẹ̀lẹ̀ ní transformer. Ṣebí a ní senator ní Ondo Central kò débẹ̀ rí, but this is a senator that is distinguished in all ramifications. We thank you so much.
Thank you very much. PDP is the best setter party, the only party with human face. Thank you, sir. We're still moving forward, but I'd like to recognize in our midst the national treasurer of our great party, who is also here, Honorable Yayari Ahmed Mohammed. We also recognize the national woman leader, Honorable Mrs. Darasimi Brian, who has been in Ondo State for days campaigning. We also have the immediate past Deputy National Secretary of our party and the Director General of PDP Governors Forum, Engineer Emmanuel Abo, PhD. We also want to recognize the 2023 governorship candidate of Nasarawa State, His Excellency David Ombo Gado. PDP! Power to the people. Ondo is for Agbola and Fesi, and so shall it be. We want to invite to the microphone for his address the chairman of the National Campaign Council, our own very able governor of Osun State, His Excellency Ademola Deleke Jackson Imole.
Imole!
Imole!
Thank you. PDP! PDP! Mi ò gbọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, PDP! PDP! Mi ò gbọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, PDP! Power! 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 Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Ha! Mo dúpẹ́, mo dúpẹ́. Mo wá dúpẹ́ o. Ha! Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́. Listen. Èmi nìkan ló yẹ. Ha! Kò lè yé ẹnìkan kan. Ìdí tí mo fi yìn bàbá. Èmi nìkan ló. Èmi o. Èmi nìkan ló yẹ. Kò lè yé ẹnìkan kan. Ìdí tí mo fi yìn bàbá. Èmi nìkan. Ìwọ lọ́lọ́run mi. Ìwọ ẹlẹ́dà mi. Ọba àwọn
believe we have the numbers, but we have to protect the numbers. You have seen what they did in Edo. Are you going to allow them? Don't allow them, because they will forever put you in poverty. This is a state of knowledge. A state of professors. You don't allow somebody who is an illiterate to lead you. Will you?
No.
So please,
We can't allow
you
them.
should do honor to yourselves. We can only support you. So with these few remarks, I will ask our colleagues, the governors, starting with our host, the leader of the governors in the Southwest, Seyi Makinde, to talk for you.
Mákindé ọlọ́run tó lẹ́nu wá bá ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ọlọ́run tó lẹ́nu wá bá ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ṣèyí ọlọ́run tó lẹ́nu wá bá ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ọlọ́run tó lẹ́nu wá bá ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ṣèbọ̀ ọlọ́run tó lẹ́nu lòlòṣùká. Ọlọ́run tó lẹ́nu lòlòṣùká ọ̀hún ṣèyí. Ọlọ́run tó lẹ́nu wá bá ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ọlọ́run tó lẹ́nu wá bá ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ọlọ́run tó lẹ́nu wá bá ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ṣèyí, 2 Ṣèyí, 3 Ṣèyí, 4 Ṣèyí, 5 Ṣèyí, 6 Ṣèyí, 7 Ṣèyí, 8 Ṣèyí. Bóyá ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ ti ṣílè kí ó gbogbo nǹkan tí yí padà. Power.
Power another.
Power náà rè.
Power another.
Power náà rè.
Ẹ̀rọ olú power náà, ẹ̀rọ Nàìjíríà. Wá ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ lẹ́nìí torí pé it's time to go back to the grassroots. This is the final jamboree. After eléyìí, ẹ padà sí wọ́ọ̀dù yín, ẹ padà sí unity yín. Ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín ni oríṣiríṣi la ti ń gbọ́. Oníjọ́ Sátọ̀dé, àwọn á sókè dilẹ̀. Níbù táwọn èèyàn ò bá dìbò fáwọn, àwọn á sì wọlé. Tó bá wọlé, ibo ni wọ́n wọ̀?
Wọ́n wọ yàrá wọn ni.
Bóyá wọ́n wọ
Pálọ̀ wọn.
wọn.
Wọ́n lọ báyàwó wọn. Wọ́n níyàwó lé. Ẹ gbà mí ó. Wọ́n níyàwó òdòdó mi ó. Wọ́n níyàwó òdòdó. Wọ́n sì ẹ̀ níyàwó yóyóyóyóyó.
That is the only appeal tí mo ní fún yín. Tó wà nígboro, àtàrí àjànàkú ni wọn ò lè gbé. So níjọ́ Sátidé, ẹ dìbò, ṣe dúró dìbò yín. Ẹ gba rìtọ́ọ̀sì yín, ẹ gbà dání. Ẹ fi yókù, ẹ filẹ̀ sí ọwọ́ àwa àtọwọ́ Ọlọ́run.
Agbo alátiwá lọ́la ń wó ṣe. Tiwa lọ́la ń wó ṣe. Ẹ̀bá sanwó sanwó kẹ́yìn onígbèsè. Tiwa lọ́la ń wó ṣe. Ṣèyí Mákindé ọmọ Látúbọ̀sún. Tiwa lọ́la ń wó ṣe. Agbo alátìyá lọ́la ń wó ṣe. Ẹ̀bá sanwó sanwó kẹ́yìn onígbèsè. Tiwa lọ́la ń wó ṣe.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ní ìjọ Sátidé, ẹ má bá wọn jà o. Kí ni ká ṣe?
Ẹ má ṣe bá wọn jà o. Ìbò ní ẹbí o. Ẹ má ṣe bá wọn jà. Ìbò ní ẹbí o. Ẹlẹ́gbàá má ṣe bá wọn jà. Ìbò ní ẹbí o. Abẹ̀ní ẹ má ṣe bá wọn jà. Ìbò ní ẹbí o.
Never think for PDP, result will not even come close. Omi á pọ̀ ju ọkà lọ. Ẹ ṣeun, Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú yín.
ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa ronú ohun tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ ṣe nínú ìjọba Agboola Ajayi tó ń bọ̀. Ẹni tó fẹ́ jẹ kánsílọ̀, ẹni tó fẹ́ jẹ kọmíṣánná, ẹni tó fẹ́ jẹ special adviser. Ẹ lọ máa sọ fún ìyàwó yín sílẹ̀ nílé àtàwọn ọkọ yín pé láti jẹ́ Sunday o, it will happen.
Ẹ jẹ́ gbèsè fún gbèsè ní. Ẹ jẹ́ gbèsè fún gbèsè ní. Aláàrù olóhùn ọ̀pọ̀ alájà. Ẹ jẹ́ gbèsè fún gbèsè ní. Èyí wá kúlé ọmọ Ọlátúnbọ̀sún. Ẹ jẹ́ gbèsè fún gbèsè ní. Ẹ jẹ́ gbèsè fún gbèsè ní. Aláàrù olóhùn ọ̀pọ̀ alájà. Ẹ jẹ́ gbèsè fún gbèsè ní.
Thank you.
Ọ̀gá wa ló ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Thank you.
A gbọ́dọ̀ dákẹ́.
Thank you. PDP. PDP. Over to the people and the good people of Ondo. We are here again once more to come and support you and urge you not to be intimidated on Saturday. Come out in mass and support Agbo Fesi candidate for the good people of your state. Come out and vote and ensure he becomes your governor on Saturday so that you can clear off and conquer the underdevelopment and hunger that has taken over our land. Come out that day. The only direction you'll be going is where there is umbrella, where there is PDP, and ensure you cast your vote and you protect it and declare Ajayi as your governor on that day. Thank you and God bless you. PDP! We now hear from the performing governor, the miracle governor from Bayelsa, distinguished Senator Doediri.
Freedom comes only by struggle. Freedom comes only by struggle. Freedom comes only by struggle. Freedom comes by struggle. Freedom comes. The oppressor will never leave you unless you decide to free yourself. Elections are by the corner. It is the people that matters in this election. We have had experiences all over. Power belongs to the people. When you go that day, don't say I have voted and go back to sleep. No, 1,000 times no. After voting, stay there. Defend your vote. Follow your vote. Follow your vote. When the people are strong, there is no power that can bring them down. Follow your vote. Take over the units. Take over the work collation centers. Take over the local government collation centers. Take over the state collation center. In your numbers. Let us not hear that we won, but we were rigged out. Somebody can only rig you where he is more popular. But I can see that PDP here is very strong. Not so. Not so. Go and vote. Let us win and follow your vote. For my brothers from Arobo, Eyes up. Eyes up. From my brothers, from my boy. Eyes up. Eyes up. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you. We now hear from the performing governor of Plateau State, Barrister Caleb Mutwang.
Because all what God cannot do, what God cannot do, you are Lord of the heavens and the earth. We will do our best. We will do our best. We will vote. We will protect our votes. But we must also believe God. That God will give us victory on Saturday. And that Agbola will become governor of Ondo State. God bless Ondo people. PDP, my people, all the PDP governors in the goodwill, they are with you. Some have not been able to be here, but they are here in spirit. And we believe the two performing governors, you see what they are doing in the Southwest. They have stood out. Sheyi Makinde and our dancing governor. We need a third governor to assist them so that we can have a tripod. Thank you very much. God bless you. Every little thing is gonna be alright. People don't worry about it. Sing along with me. Every little thing is gonna be alright. People don't worry about it. Every little thing is gonna be alright. We don't worry about it. Put your hands up and down. Now we are running. We are all listening to the performing governors of PDP in Nigeria. The only states working in this federal republic are only the PDP states. And come Saturday, PDP will have to take over Ondo State for the betterment of Ondo State. So our governor, don't worry, everything will be all right. Just do the right thing. Jama'a mutanen Arewa, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam da baraka.
Kafin mu iso a nan, shugaban jam'iyya da gwamnoni da suke nan wurin sun sa da mutanen Arewa a cikin PDP National Secretariat. So a yanzu muna so mu kira wanda zai mana magana our two Igbo community. Ladies and gentlemen, what I simply said is that before we arrived here, the national chairman and all the leadership had a meeting with the Hausa community
at the party secretariat. On behalf of the Igbo community in Ondo State, we want to invite for 2 minutes a face that we know very well in the Nollywood, who has been in Ondo State for days working. We want you to recognize Honorable Rita Oji. Ndị Igbo ekele! Igbo kele! Igbo mụọnụ! Igbo zụọnụ! Igbo kachanụ! PDP!
Salaga, salaga. Salaga, salaga. Ọ̀rọ̀ Agboola. Agboola di gómìnà. Salaga, salaga. Ẹ bá sọ fún Bárò. Ẹ lọ sọ. Salaga, salaga. Ẹ lọ sọ.
Member of House of Representatives. Igbo is everywhere. We believe in whatever you believe in. She believes in Ondo State. Rita, 2 minutes. PDP.
Wow.
Now, Meza, but already. Now, Meza, but already. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni dàbí iṣẹ́ ṣe. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni dàbí iṣẹ́ ṣe. Ààbò náà ga láǹfọ̀rí láàfọ̀. Ṣé ìdẹ́kọ̀ ìdẹ́kọ̀? Àyẹ̀dúgbò. A sì jíjí ẹ lókun. Adáàtò ìlọ́pẹ́ ṣòkù. Òwe náà wọlé n'ẹ̀bà. Náà wọlé mẹ́. Àwọn Juwana, Juwana, àwọn Juwana, àwọn Juwana. Àwọn Juwana, àgbàjọ́kòkò. Ọ̀nà lẹ́yìn ìlàwà, láìwá, lẹ́bí wọn. Kí ni kí n dáyọ̀? Alábàáwò, ó dáyọ̀. Ó lé lásì. Wọ́n ti lásì náà wí lórí lórí láyà. Give me why? No, you like a little. Obioma, Obi the motor, but I will speak in English because some need it. This man that is here is our Abuja candidate. What did we say that day? Abuna, nice to be Nazu. Igonu, o nwere iṣẹ́ ahụ kwawo otu, ọkwa ya? O nwere iṣẹ́ ahụ kwawo otu.
Di papa.
Onye ahụ si na ga-esikwu onye a na-azụ. Onye a, Seyi Makinde abi, onye ya Seyi na-aga na nsogị na. My people, I heard that by the time I arrived here in Ondo State, 4 days, they appointed 4 essays. What were they doing since that they didn't give you the essay? Must it be that another group that comes from, so they give you 4 essays? People, onye chukolo nwere etu ekwu. People, sana anya free. Onye mama that ego ada we ambo. Chetakwa na une nwere ezigbo. Une nwere ezigbo again. People, you follow. After they won, they remove all your ezigbo. You are ezigbo-less now. After, don't make the mistake. When you are late and I'm over, you go do it. They will start crediting your account from tomorrow. I beg collect your money, now your father's money. No throw away.
He entered their pocket with a collect and they voted. I mean, collect, shut up, and go and vote for me. You know for your state, how you want to be like for your state. Until you collect this one, you will be like for your state. Under people, obìnrin pọ́pọ́ ti kó èèrà obìnrin pọ́pọ́ ti kó èèrà obìnrin pọ́pọ́ ti kó obìnrin pọ́pọ́ ti kó èèrà ìgbàgbọ́ wúpọ̀ PDP, all to the people. Mutane Naira and Susan Muji, that are wearing Senator Lado American. Muba Senator Lado Emana Jawad. You know what time PDP! PDP! Power! Power! Mai girma shugaban wannan jami'a ta mai albarka na ƙasa baki ɗaya, mai girma shugaban gwamnoni wanda suke wannan wuri, masu girma 'yan kwamitin zartarwa na wannan jami'a mai albarka, ɗan takararmu na gwamna na PDP da sauran jama'a al'umma wannan gari mai albarka na Ondo. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam wa barakatuh. Na zo domin mutanenmu wanda suke nan wurin wanda suke daga yankuna na arewa domin mu yi maku bayani mu nuna maku irin mahimmancin wannan tafiya wanda kun sani cewar ainihin da ake ciki ba ma sai an yi maku bayani ba. Kowa ya san halin da ƙasar nan take ciki. Kun san irin jagorancin da PDP ta yi a lokacin da take kargar mulki. Kuma kun ga irin yadda tsintsiya ta kawo matsaloli a wannan ƙasa baki ɗaya. Don haka ya zama wajibi ku tashi tsaye ku zaɓi wannan ƙwararren ɗan takara namu. Za ku zaɓe shi. Are you going to vote for him? Are you going to vote for him? Briefly, what I've said in Hausa, I'm here, I'm from Katsina State. I was the governor candidate of PDP of 2023 election. In my solidarity, particularly people living in this state, I believe there is no runners. I want to call to solicit to them for you to vote this better candidate. It's somebody that I know for a long time. I assure you he's not going to disappoint you. He's a better candidate. He held a series of positions and he performed very well. People understand, as we are all aware, we don't need to even campaign for you. Considering the recent situations of happening in this country, we are seeing, we are hearing, we are feeling. Is it not so? Are you going to vote PDP? You promise in 2 hours to come, God willing, this will be the governor of our dear state. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Power. PDP.
Power.
My name is David Emmanuel Ombugadu, the candidate of PDP in 2023 and 2019 election. I stood for governorship. I was in the House of Reps for 8 years. Everything that I've ever achieved in National State, the secret and my guide, my mentor is your governorship candidate. I succeeded in drilling 1,500 boreholes as a member of House of Representatives. And the secret is your governor to be. He is my he is everything to me. And I brought about 37 transformers in my state. The secret is your governor to be. I believe he becomes your governor. He's going to do times 10 for you. The secret of community governance that helped me in National State. As at 4 p.m., we won the election. 4 p.m. in National State, we won the election. Inshallah. I don't want you to repeat that mistake. What made those women come out and protest for their mandate? I don't want you to repeat that mistake. You must stay with your vote. You must make sure that you escort him to government house because you will declare as your governor. I believe everything that I stand for is your governor because he's my guide, he's my teacher, he's my mentor. So I want to say congratulations to your governor, to my boss, to my good friend. Thank you very much. PDP.
Tẹ́bá ti dìbò tán, ẹ dúró ti bò yín o. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́?
PDP.
Àwọn ògbó pa yín o.
PDP. Àkókò tó láti bọ̀ látẹnu èyí Táyọ̀ Jẹ́gẹ́dẹ́.
Lọ́jọ́lá, ajá tó ń fojú dẹ́kun, ó fi kú ṣe é yìí. Ìwọ yóò ná owó gbọdọ̀ dẹ́kun ní Bùbá. Gẹ́gẹ́dẹ́, má ṣe gbára lé wọn, kàlẹ́ dúró. Má ṣe gbára lé wọn, àbúdá. Gẹ́gẹ́dẹ́, má ṣe gbára lé wọn, kàlẹ́ dúró. Má ṣe gbára lé wọn, àbúdá. Àbíjà kiri lẹ́yìn ẹ̀fẹ̀ tí sọ́wọ́. Àníkẹ́sẹ́ ni lójú ẹ̀ pátá sẹ́jú. Ìwà lórí wá sí
No tension, we are winning by the grace of God. Ewiya, maso, sawa. PDP, no tension, we are winning by the grace of God. Ewiya, maso, for all their support. I also thank the acting national chairman for making this a special day. I thank all the members of the National Working Committee who have stood by the party. And I thank Agbola too for giving required leadership. Now, the APC people are on their way out. Are they not on their way out? I also learned that some people who have joined them. They have joined them on the way out of government house. By the grace of God, PDP will come to power come Sunday because the voting will be on Saturday 16th. The result will be announced on Sunday and Akpo will be declared the governor of the state. Tabaduroti, one kalojuwa, Nambaka, Aduro, one entire. Tẹ̀lé wọn láti polling unit lọ sí World Collation Center. Lọ abẹ́ ní lọ. Tẹ̀lé wọn láti World Collation Center lọ sí Local Government Center. Lọ abẹ́ ní lọ. Tó bá di ijọ́ tí wọ́n máa announce ní Sunday 17th, wọ́n declare PDP. Candidate wa. Ẹdúró. Wọ́n ṣe àwọn kó next tó pọ̀. Ó mọ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe ní APC. Tòró wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ṣé mo kúrọ́ ni? Ó wà ní PDP tá a ti wá ṣiṣẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ gan-an àbí kò ní ṣiṣẹ́? Á dì fún abá ní dì fún. Àwa guarantee kí ni mo sọ? Àwa guarantee kí ni mo sọ? PDP! Our next governor of Ondo State by the grace of God. Aṣáájú ni ṣe.
Èyí kàkà kìkìkà ọba òkìlẹ̀ ọlá èyí ọ̀gbọ̀dọ̀ wà. Èyí kàkà kìkìkà ọba òkìlẹ̀ ọlá ọ̀gbọ̀lá ọ̀gbọ̀dọ̀ wà. Ọ̀gbọ̀lá ọ̀gbọ̀dọ̀ wà. Èyí kàkà kìkìkà ọba òkìlẹ̀ ọlá. Ọ̀gbọ̀lá ọ̀gbọ̀dọ̀ wà. Agbọ́lá ò gbọ́dọ̀ sí ìdí o. Bàlá gbogbo bó ṣe náwó náírà bàlá tó ní kọ́ máa lọ pé kó lé epo bàlá gbogbo ẹ̀nà ti ṣe wà á jèrè ọ̀nà rẹ̀ bù mí bàlá.
Before I invite the acting national chairman and members of the NWC, I'll be directed to recognize the following persons. Members of Board of Trustees from Ondo State, Ambassador Omolade Oluwateru, and Honorable Afolabi Akinsiku. We also recognize one of the foundation members of PDP who is from Ondo State, Otumba Fashewe. We recognize Dr. Motaya Dairo, Honorable Jide Ogulayi, member House of Minority Leader of House of Assembly. We recognize Honorable Mrs. Bumi Ogutibeju, who is the Secretary of National Campaign Council. And we thank our own former Zona Public Secretary who has been holding for Honorable Ayo Father. PDP! Power to the people! It is now time to listen to the address of the party.
Hello, Sọ́lọ́jà, 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 hello, Sọ́lọ́jà, Sọ́lọ́jà, hello, Sọ́lọ́wọ̀, hello, Sọ́lọ́kùnrin, hello, Sọ́lọ́kù, Sọ́lọ́jà, Sọ́lọ́jà, hello, Sọ́lọ́jà, Sọ́lọ́jà. Ẹ pariwo débọ̀ débọ̀. Ẹ pariwo débọ̀ débọ̀
Afẹ́kọ̀ọ́ni ayọ̀ ni ọ, kọ́rẹ́nsì, àrùn pàdé ní sátọ̀dé, a ó sì jọyọ̀, agbóọlá láti wọlé.
A ó pàdé ní sátọ̀dé, a ó sì jọyọ̀, agbóọlá láti wọlé. A ó pàdé ní sátọ̀dé, a ó sì jọyọ̀, agbóọlá láti wọlé.
Ẹgbẹ́ akọrin ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ẹ̀fọ́ kan máa ní àwọn àṣìkàfé ìdáfẹ́ ìbò àdẹ̀fẹ́ ìdìbò àfẹ́ wọlé. Àwọn pàdé ní sátọ̀dé, a ó sì jọyọ̀, agbóọlá láti wọlé. Ẹ̀mí mímọ́ ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, ogun ọ̀run ìbáṣẹ́.
Àwọn pàdé ní sátọ̀dé, a ó sì jọyọ̀, agbóọlá láti wọlé. Ẹ̀mí mímọ́ ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. láti wọlé.
Àti wọlé àbí àti wọlé?
Àti wọlé.
Torí àyè ìyá tó wà tà àdúrà kan. Àwọn ẹni tí ò bá níyàwó ò ní mọ bí ìtọ́jú owó tó dàbí. Àwa níyàwó. Àwa lọ́kọ. Wọ́n bá ní nǹkan wọn lọ́jà. Ẹni tí ò bá níyàwó ìyàwó ò ní pé ìgboro dàrú àbẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Tó ẹja jáde sátidé kájọ.
Ẹ lọ sọ́lọ́jà. Ẹ lọ sọ́lọ́jà. Sọ́lọ́jà sọ́lọ́jà. Ẹ lọ sọ́lọ́jà. Gbé wà níyàwó ilé. Ẹ lọ sọ́lọ́jà. Sọ́lọ́jà sọ́lọ́jà. Sọ́lọ́jà sọ́lọ́jà. Ẹ já bá wọn sọ́lọ́jà.
Ambassador Umar Damatu àtàwọn ẹlẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ ní national control bá a sọ̀rọ̀. PDP, before the national chairman comes, Otumba Yewale Fashawe has been asked to address Ondo State. Otumba, please. PDP.
Ọ̀pọ̀ wáríwárí ìta wọn ò wá bí tí. Ọmọ lọ́wọ́ tọwọ́ ṣe. Ọmọ nílé bàbá mi. Má sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ. Ọmọ bàdà mi. Má fẹ́ gbọ́. Ọ̀pọ̀ wáríwárí ìta wọn ò wá bá ti rẹ. Fásáwẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin mo Ondo. Àbí. Alápẹ̀jà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Wàhálà yìí pọ̀. Ẹ̀gbọ́n. Agbọ́lá ló lè gbà wálẹ̀. Ẹgbọ́n lẹ́nu Fásáwẹ̀. Àwọn Ọbásanjọ́. Àwọn Àtìkù ni. Fásáwẹ̀ rí. Ẹnu àgbà lóbi tí gbó. Fásáwẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu wẹ́. Ọmọ Fásáwẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. Adílọ́wọ́ tàwọn ṣe. Fásáwẹ̀ rí. Alápọ̀jà. Alápàdà ní Ìbàdàn. Ọmọlàgbàdé Tàfíkì Alápàdà bàbá wa. Ọmọlàgbàdé Alápàdà Tàfíkì ní bàbá wa ń bàdàn ni. Àwọn tí Ṣèyí Mákindé. Power. Power.
You see, the beauty of our party that everyone before important. Before I tell you what I came to say today, already we could have seen the light. We have leaders here that have been preaching the out in one place, one eye of they give that group, they say they have left the APC Florida. One of the leaders of the APC who is saying Mr. Olosi is also saying he has seen the light. Anger don't kill her. He wants job. Say, now only PDP will give us food. So he's coming back. PDP.
Tí gbogbo wa ní. Ó máa bá bàbá jẹ́. Orí kò sí kò ní ọ̀run tí a lè lọ. Àjòjìjà ní ilẹ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ ká sanwó pọ̀ ká fi máa sọ̀gbọ̀n. Ìwọ́n ń bá bóyá àwa ló ní PDP kò lè bàjẹ́. Àwa ló ní PDP kò lè bàjẹ́ o. Ó máa ní Amẹ́ríkà. PDP làwa wà, ọmọ wa.
PDP ẹni wọn yóò dìbò fún. Oníkà dìbò fún. Ẹni wọn dìbò fún.
Agodi ká dìbò fún.
Thank you very much. You see, I want to tell the people of Ondo State, when PDP was ruling Ondo State, you have seen roads, you have seen schools, you have seen medical facilities all over. There is the soul of late Shogun Agafine. Someone has come, joined the PDP, did the small thing he wants to do. Unfortunately, he was possessed and he went the wrong way. Since he went that way, we have never seen him. Before we used to see him very tall. Now he's very small. So let me tell you, nobody should intimidate you. Saturday is your day. It's the day you will change your life. It's the day you will decide for yourself. Ask your vote. Wait for your vote to be counted. After it's counted, escort your vote to the election center.
Wọ́n ní ẹ̀tẹ̀lé bó yín débi tí wọ́n ti kà á.
Has entered the required area. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Did you promise that you were going to be there?
Ṣé ẹ gbọ́?
Okay. Unless if you want to have a day, hunger, poverty, then you will look their way. They will come with stolen money. It's not their money. It's the money meant for you to build road. The money meant for you to equip your hospital. So please, my friend, stop that. So please and please, you have seen our governors. PDP is the only state that has given good governance all over Nigeria. If you see any of our states that is being governed by PDP, you see overhead bridges, you see good roads, good schools. What is happening here? The last 6 years, there is no road, no nothing. At the federal, they don't know even what they are doing. They have lost their mind. They don't know how to run the economy. That's why you are wallowing in poverty. So please, this is the first step when you bring Abola Ajayi.
Success.
You will come and help
Abola Ajayi success.
PDP has changed this country. Today, PDP has brought you GSM. But you can't buy data because you don't have money. They brought you
Bala ní ká fún gbogbo wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ kadà. Ó ní kó fún wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ l'Àkúrẹ́. Bala òun. Power, success. That's good. Abola,
thank you. The acting national chairman of our party, Ambassador Barogo, the chairman, PDP Governors Forum, our leader, the governor of Bauchi State. I thank you, sir. The governor of Ondo State, our leader in Southwest. The governor of Ondo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde. The governor of Osun State and the chairman, National Campaign Council, Ondo 2024.
Ẹni ìmọ́lẹ̀.
Ìmọ́lẹ̀.
Ẹni ìmọ́lẹ̀.
Ìmọ́lẹ̀. Ìmọ́lẹ̀. Ìmọ́lẹ̀. Ìmọ́lẹ̀. Ìmọ́lẹ̀. Ìmọ́lẹ̀. Àdáwà.
The governor of Plateau State, our leader. I thank you, sir. My brother has left, but let me recognize him. The governor of Bayelsa State. All other PDP leaders, I want to thank you. Let me recognize my deputy, Okuta Idari. And if I see you, we are thanking you most. PDP! Sorry, I omitted my leader, seriously, sir. The governor of Adamawa State, our leader. My leader, I greet you, sir. My wife, Babetani Agbola, and the wife of the deputy governor. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn méjèèjì á níyàwó nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ kó lò nìyẹn? Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn leaders wa gbogbo ní Ondo State. The chairman of our party, all our leaders, gbogbo ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wa ẹ ṣé o. Nínú ìwé Bíbélì, wọ́n ní gbogbo wa nígbà tó ń lọ sí ogun. Wọ́n ka gbogbo nígbà tó padà wá ka gbogbo ọmọ kò sínú wọn tó dín àbí. We thank God for that. We have traveled left and right of this street night and day every time. Gbọ́ pé mọ́tò wá pààyàn rí o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Dẹ̀ ní pààyàn o. A ò yìnbọn sẹ́nìbọ̀dì rí o. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ń ṣe o. Ilé tó kù yẹn pàṣẹ kan lẹ́ o. Ìbò di ọ̀túnla. Má ti gbogbo wa ní agent lọ́jọ́ yẹn o. Má sọ pé ẹnìkan tó jẹ́ agent. All of us go to be agent on that day. Tẹ́ bá ti bò tán, dúró síbẹ̀ kó tójú yín ká. Tó bá ti ànáṣe ẹ̀wọ̀n kọ́ pèsè má lọ. Àtúkúrò mbẹ̀, àtún lọ sí collection center ní wọ́ọ̀dù. From there to the local government. From there all of us we bombard Akure by the grace of God. Victory shall be ours in Jesus' name. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, ẹ̀yin obìnrin, ogun yóò kí tí o, àbí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ajáde ní agbára Ọlọ́run, ọmọ tí náà sóríire o. Nífi ẹ̀jẹ̀ yín dìbò ẹ̀yin youth wa nífi ẹ̀jẹ̀ yín dìbò. Tó bá wá di on the 17th of this month ní Sunday tó bá ti announce wa wá máa kọ orin kan tẹ́ mọ́rin náà ẹni pé á tù wá lára o á tù wá lára o. Àsìkò yìí o á tù wá lára o á tù wá lára o á tù wá lára o. Ìgbà yìí o, àsìkò yìí o, àti wàhálà. Àwọn àgbọ̀n yẹn jẹ́ ká lọ sọ lọ́jà. Ọ̀gá wa Ṣèyí Mákindé. Ọ̀gá wa Adélékè. Ọ̀gá wa Ṣèyí Mákindé. Ọmọ Látúbọ̀sùn. Ọmọ Látúbọ̀sùn. Ọmọ Látúbọ̀sùn. Ọmọ Látúbọ̀sùn. Rárá. Ṣé ọ̀gá wa ló sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o? Ṣèyí Mákindé ló sọ̀rọ̀ o. Sunday. Gbogbo Ọ̀yọ́ state ló sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Àbò tiwa kì í ṣe ti jàgídíjàgan. Wàhálà ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ ti kì í ṣe ti jàgídíjàgan. Àbò tó jìnnà síná tó súnmọ́ àlùjáná. Àbò tiwa kì í ṣàbò jágbàjàgbà. Àbò tiwa kì í ṣàpè játijàti agbèrò tí wá ṣòyí kì í ṣàpè rédèrèdè alọ́gbọ́dà agbèrò tí wá kì í ṣàpè àkùdé agbèrò tí wá kì í ṣàpè játijàti agbèrò tí wá kì í ṣàpè játijàti agbèrò tí wá.
Well, this is the very much we can take on this program, coming to you live from Akure in Ondo State, the grand finale of the PDP rally, where they officially presented the candidate of PDP to the public. On behalf of the crew, I want to say thank you for watching Africa Independent Television.